Sorry, let's check our right mirror.
Oh, whoa, am I going to go into that?
Yes, check our right mirror. Okay, merge in, and then as you get closer, indicate right, please.
I've never done this.
Forward.
I actually want to go into that water, can I?
No. Right. Okay, check your... Oh, what did you do that for? Right. Check your mirrors, interior right. Indicate. Okay, it's indicated. Okay, come in. Cancel the indicator. You're cleaning my car afterwards, by the way. As you can see, we've got loads of cheeky students who think they're smarter than FM driving school, but don't worry, we're going to get her back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Do watch our other videos where we go through how to pass a driving test, how to pass a theory test, and loads of tips on basically how to be a good driver. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.